Well, this is today's job. We're going to come in here and basically what's going on is this fence needs to be moved over from here to that post there. So anyway, I'm tearing this fence apart here, and I told the lady that you know, I wasn't gonna be able to replace the same thing, because when you start tearing it apart, this is what happens. You know, all this stuff starts breaking. You know, so but anyway, we're gonna give her a nice looking fence. Well, that's what it's looking like. Got the first panel down, and more broken pieces. So it's all tore out. Got one more post to pull out with that bull pull, but I've been knocking it out. I don't know about you, but I pulled that out pretty doggone good. New posts are set. Ready for tomorrow. Okay, we made it back to the job site today, and posts are all set up. And now we got all the 2x4s in. Taking the staples out of the existing, and we'll be done today, about 10 minutes. Well, now it's all nailed in. Oh, it's all nailed in, and we're ready to make the gate. Is that right? Yeah. All done. So we moved it over like the lady asked.